you say, I am wake up at 6 or she go to work every day?
Yes, sometimes I know the words, but I'm not sure about the grammar.
Then this lesson is for you. Today, you will learn how to use the present simple to talk about your daily routine naturally.
Great! I want to talk about my day in English without thinking too much.
Perfect. Welcome back to FluentMindee, the place where you learn English grammar for real speaking, not just for exams.
Today's topic is present simple for daily routines.
Exactly. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to talk about your habits, your morning routine, your work routine, and your evening routine.
And I will learn how to say it correctly, right?
Yes. You will also practice questions and answers because grammar is not only rules, grammar is for speaking.
I like that. I don't want only grammar rules. I want to speak.
Good. Let's start with the basic idea. We use the present simple for things we do again and again.
Again and again? Like every day?
Yes, every day, every morning, every night, every weekend. Usually, always, sometimes, never. These words often go with the present simple.
So if I do something as a habit, I use present simple.
Exactly. For example, I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 6.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Very good. These are all present simple sentences.
So for I just use the simple verb.
Yes, with I, you, we, and they use the base verb. Listen, I wake up. You wake up. We wake up. They wake up.
I wake up. You wake up, we wake up, they wake up.
Great. Now here is the important part. With he, she, and it, we usually add s or es to the verb.
This is the part that makes me confused.
Many learners feel the same, but don't worry. For speaking, remember this simple pattern. I wake up. She wakes up.
I wake up. She wakes up.
I go to work. He goes to work.
I go to work. He goes to work.
I eat breakfast. She eats breakfast.
I eat breakfast. She eats breakfast.
Good. Now let's compare wrong and natural examples.
Okay, this helps me a lot.
Wrong, she wake up at 7. Natural, she wakes up at 7.
She wakes up at 7.
Wrong, he go to work by bus. Natural, he goes to work by bus.
He goes to work by bus.
Wrong, my brother eat breakfast at home. Natural, my brother eats breakfast at home.
My brother eats breakfast at home.
Excellent. Now let's build a simple daily routine using I. Repeat after me.
I'm ready.
I wake up at 6:30.
I wake up at 6:30.
I get up at 6:40.
I get up at 6:40.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work at 8.
I go to work at 8.
Nice. Now let's make it sound more natural. Instead of saying many short sentences only, we can connect ideas.
How?
Like this. I usually wake up at 6:30, brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast before work.
That sounds much better.
Repeat after me slowly. I usually wake up at 6:30.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
I eat breakfast before work.
I eat breakfast before work.
Now the full sentence. I usually wake up at 6:30, brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast before work.
I usually wake up at 6:30, brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast before work.
Excellent. That is natural spoken English.
I can use usually because it is my habit, right?
Correct. Now let's learn a few useful routine words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never.
Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never.
Always means every time. Usually means most of the time. Sometimes means not always, but it happens. Never means 0 times.
Can you give examples?
Sure. I always brush my teeth in the morning.
I always brush my teeth in the morning.
I usually drink coffee after breakfast.
I usually drink coffee after breakfast.
I sometimes exercise before work.
I sometimes exercise before work.
I never skip breakfast.
I never skip breakfast.
Great. Now let's talk about one common mistake. Many learners say, I am go to work every day.
Yes, sometimes I say that.
In present simple, don't use am before the main verb. Say, I go to work every day.
So not I am go, just I go.
Exactly. Wrong, I am wake up early. Natural, I wake up early.
I wake up early.
Wrong, I am eat breakfast at 7. Natural, I eat breakfast at 7.
I eat breakfast at 7.
Wrong, I am work from Monday to Friday. Natural, I work from Monday to Friday.
I work from Monday to Friday.
Very good. Use am when you describe yourself, like I am tired, I am busy, or I am a student. But for routine actions, use the action verb.
So I can say I am busy, but I should say I work every day.
Exactly. Now let's practice a morning routine conversation.
Okay.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually eat breakfast at home.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by motorbike.
Nice. That sounds natural.
I notice the questions use do.
Great noticing. For present simple questions with I, you, we, and they, we use do.
So, for example, do you eat breakfast?
Yes. Do you eat breakfast? Do you drink coffee? Do you work on Sundays? Do you exercise every day?
Do you eat breakfast? Do you drink coffee? Do you work on Sundays? Do you exercise every day?
Excellent. And short answers are easy. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Let's practice. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you work on Sundays?
No, I don't.
Do you exercise every day?
Sometimes I exercise 3 times a week.
Perfect. That answer sounds very natural.
So I don't always need only yes or no. I can add more information.
Exactly. That makes your speaking more natural.
Great! I want more practice with questions.
Let's do repeat after me practice.
Ready.
What time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up?
What do you do in the morning?
What do you do in the morning?
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Do you eat breakfast at home?
How do you go to work?
How do you go to work?
What time do you finish work?
What time do you finish work?
What do you do after work?
What do you do after work?
Excellent. These questions are very useful for real conversations.
I can ask my friend about their day.
Yes. And now let's move to part 2, where we will practice he, she, negative sentences, and a full daily routine conversation.
Welcome to part 2. Now let's talk about other people's routines using he and she.
This is where I need to remember the S, right?
Exactly. With he, she, and one person's name, add s or es to the verb.
For example, she wakes up early.
Perfect. Let's practice more. I wake up at 6. She wakes up at 6.
I wake up at 6. She wakes up at 6.
I drink coffee. He drinks coffee.
I drink coffee. He drinks coffee.
I go to work. She goes to work.
I go to work. She goes to work.
I watch TV at night. He watches TV at night.
I watch TV at night. He watches TV at night.
Good. For verbs like go, do, watch, and finish, we often add es.
So go becomes goes, watch becomes watches.
Correct. But don't worry too much about the rule. For speaking, practice the common ones. He goes, she does. He watches, she finishes.
He goes, she does, he watches, she finishes.
Great. Now let's describe Lena's daily routine.
Okay.
Lena wakes up at 6:30.
Lena wakes up at 6:30.
She drinks water in the morning.
She drinks water in the morning.
She eats breakfast at home.
She eats breakfast at home.
She goes to work by bus.
She goes to work by bus.
She finishes work at 5:30.
She finishes work at 5:30.
She cooks dinner in the evening.
She cooks dinner in the evening.
Excellent. Now let's make it into one natural answer.
Let's try.
Lena usually wakes up at 6:30. She drinks water, eats breakfast at home, and goes to work by bus. She finishes work at 5:30 and cooks dinner in the evening.
Lena usually wakes up at 6:30. She drinks water, eats breakfast at home, and goes to work by bus. She finishes work at 5:30 and cooks dinner in the evening.
Very good. Now let's talk about negative sentences.
Negative means saying not, right?
Yes, for I, you, we, and they use don't.
Like, I don't drink coffee.
Exactly. I don't drink coffee. You don't work on Sundays. We don't eat late. They don't go to bed early.
I don't drink coffee. You don't work on Sundays. We don't eat late. They don't go to bed early.
Very good. For he and she use doesn't.
And do I still add S to the verb?
Great question. No. After doesn't, use the base verb.
So not she doesn't drinks coffee.
Correct. That is wrong. Natural, she doesn't drink coffee.
She doesn't drink coffee.
Wrong, he doesn't goes to work by bus. Natural, he doesn't go to work by bus.
He doesn't go to work by bus.
Wrong, Lena doesn't eats breakfast. Natural, Lena doesn't eat breakfast.
Lena doesn't eat breakfast.
Perfect. Remember this speaking pattern. She drinks coffee, she doesn't drink coffee.
She drinks coffee. She doesn't drink coffee.
He goes to work, he doesn't go to work.
He goes to work. He doesn't go to work.
Very nice. Now let's practice questions with he and she.
I think we use does, right?
Exactly. Does she drink coffee? Does he work on weekends? Does Lena wake up early?
Does she drink coffee? Does he work on weekends? Does Lena wake up early?
And short answers are yes, she does, no, she doesn't. Yes, he does, no, he doesn't.
Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't.
Very good. Now let's practice. Does your mother wake up early?
Yes, she does. She wakes up at 5:30.
Great answer. Does your father drink coffee?
No, he doesn't. He drinks tea.
Excellent. Does your friend work on weekends?
Sometimes. She works on Saturdays, but she doesn't work on Sundays.
That is a very natural answer.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Now let's practice a full conversation about daily routines.
Okay.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Do you get up right away?
No, I don't. I usually check my phone for a few minutes.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I usually eat rice or bread and drink coffee.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by motorcycle.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30.
What do you do after work?
I go home, eat dinner, watch a lesson on YouTube, and relax.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10:30.
Excellent. That is a complete daily routine in English.
It sounds simple, but very useful.
Exactly. You don't need difficult grammar to speak clearly. You need useful patterns and practice.
Can we do one more conversation about another person?
Of course. Let's talk about your friend. What time does your friend wake up?
She wakes up at 7.
Does she eat breakfast?
Yes, she does. She eats breakfast at home.
How does she go to work?
She goes to work by car.
Does she work late?
No, she doesn't. She usually finishes work at 5.
What does she do in the evening?
She cooks dinner, watches TV, and talks with her family.
Great. You used wakes, eats, goes, finishes, cooks, watches, and talks. Very good present simple.
I understand now. For one other person, I often add s or es.
Exactly. Now let's do a quick review.
Review time.
Number 1. Use present simple for habits and routines. For example, I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 6.
Number 2. With I, you, we, and they, use the base verb. I work, you work, we work, they work.
I work, you work, we work, they work.
Number 3. With he, she, and one person, add s or es. He works, she goes, Lena watches.
He works, she goes, Lena watches.
Number 4. For negative sentences, use don't or doesn't. I don't drink coffee, she doesn't drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee, she doesn't drink coffee.
Number 5. For questions, use do or does. Do you work? Does she work?
Do you work? Does she work?
Perfect. Now let's do speaking practice. I will say a sentence, you repeat.
Let's practice.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
I don't drink coffee every morning.
I don't drink coffee every morning.
She goes to work by bus.
She goes to work by bus.
He doesn't work on Sundays.
He doesn't work on Sundays.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Does your friend wake up early?
Does your friend wake up early?
Excellent. Now, here is your challenge.
I like challenges.
Your challenge is to write 3 sentences about your daily routine using the present simple.
For example,
Example 1. I wake up at 6:30. Example 2. I usually eat breakfast at home. Example 3. I don't work on Sundays.
that's easy to try.
You can also write about another person. For example, my sister wakes up early, or my father drinks tea in the morning.
That helps me practice S and ES.
Exactly. Now, before we finish, let's practice one final answer together. Repeat after me.
Ready.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
I eat breakfast at home.
I eat breakfast at home.
I go to work in the morning.
I go to work in the morning.
After work, I eat dinner and relax.
After work, I eat dinner and relax.
Excellent. That is a clear daily routine in English.
I can use this today.
Yes, that is the goal of FluentMindee, simple English you can use in real life.
Today we learned present simple for daily routines.
We learned how to use I wake up, she wakes up, I don't, she doesn't, do you, does she.
This lesson was very practical.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to FluentMindee, and practice with us again in the next lesson.
And don't forget the challenge.
Yes, comment one answer below. What time do you usually wake up?
For example, I usually wake up at 6:30.
Write your answer in the comments and keep practicing.
See you in the next FluentMindee lesson.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep it simple.